if you've read the title of this video, there is only one way to find out whether a car is fun or not. In the meantime though, let's talk about the fast bit, because with actual Formula 1 technology in the M139L 4-cylinder engine, it makes 40 horsepower more than the V6 it replaces. .421 to be precise. Why they didn't give it 1 horsepower less, I don't really know. But a very high level of engineering has gone into this engine. It is, after all, one of the highest specific outputs of any production car. Over 200 horsepower per litre. And that, of course, is thanks to new stuff like the electric exhaust gas turbocharger, which is, yes, derived from the pinnacle of motorsport. Because that pinnacle of motorsport uses a turbocharged engine as well. And a turbo, by way of its functioning, has some amount of lag. And lag means time lost on the track. So, to eliminate lag, both the Formula 1 cars of today and the GLC 43 of right now use a teeny tiny electric motor to spin up the turbocharger when there's not enough exhaust gases to do it. The result is, as you'd expect, pretty exceptional. Put this thing into Sport Plus, and then it feels like your right foot is directly stitched to the turbocharger. The smallest twist and boom! Off you go and shoot into the distance. I also like the 69 in the back. The torque split, I mean. I like the fact that just 31% goes to the front wheels, and what that 31% is basically doing is pulling you out of the corner. What truly does help rotation though is the rear wheel steering. At speeds below 100 km per hour, the rear wheels turn opposite to the front ones to virtually shorten its wheelbase. The result is that this 2-ton elephant can turn as quick as a 12 milligram fly. The way it hides its weight is black magic. And then at higher speeds, it does the opposite. It virtually extends the wheelbase by turning the wheels in the same direction for more stability. It really is clever, and the ride and handling balance is smart too. Steel springs fitted with adaptive dampers mean the GLC 43 is firm, but not harsh. It's comfortable over most roads, but this is no SUV to go out and storm through potholes or go rallying in.
I got stamina going all night. You ain't got a bite in this dog fight. These bumpy knuckles make you buckle. Turn the hard rocks to rubble. Bustin', bangin'. I'm taking it, not asking. I'm bustin', bangin'. Ain't slamming the brakes, just crashing. I'm bustin', bangin'. Keeping it tight, no slacking. I'm bustin', bangin'. No competition, I ain't bragging.
Actually, you know what? Scratch that last bit. This would make for a great rally car. It sounds like 1-2 bouncing off that rev limiter going put, put, put. But not because of what you'd expect. Yes, there is a turbocharged 4-cylinder under the hood, but somewhere down there is also a mic which pumps and alters the sound coming into the cabin. It's literally called AMG Real Performance Sound. Mercedes says, and I'm quoting here, You can determine how the turbo engine sounds in the interior at the touch of a button. The sound can be switched from sporty and subtle to motorsporty and emotional. And that's my problem with the GLC 43. Mercedes has taken all the problems and just applied engineering solutions to them. Emissions, downsize the engine. Turbo lag, electrocute it. Weight, rear wheel steer. Sound, pipe it in. And that approach objectively brings you a better SUV. This new GLC 43 is better than before on almost every metric, and it is brilliant if you want a faster, nicer to drive GLC that's also spectacular to look at. The interior, especially the steering wheel, is finished beautifully, and this is a great car for road trips. It's fast and comfortable. Mission accomplished. But I just feel that on the way there, the GLC 43's lost some of its character. It's surely lost some crucial cylinders, and I feel it's lost some of that imperfection. And I don't know about you, but it's the imperfect cars that are truly memorable to me.